Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Alif Daniel from class AS1023Q. Will introduce you about strategies to improve stress tolerance in rice plant. So, this is my teammate Nik Muhammad Nafis Mukris bin Nik Muhammad Zani, and the last one is Muhammad Hazim bin Abdullah Zawawi. So, I tell you about rice and importance of rice. So, what is rice plant? Rice plant or Oryza sativa is the most important cereal crop in developing world and is the staple food of over half the world population, including virtually all the East and Southeast Asia. 95% of the world rice crop is eaten by human. Rice can be cooked by boiling or it can be ground into flour. The cultivated rice plant is an annual grass and grow to about 1.2 meter in height. The leaves are long and flattened and are borne on hollow stem. The fibrous root system is often broad and spreading. So the importance of rice plant is the primary source of energy over half of the world people. Can contain decent amount of fibers, protein, vitamin B, iron, and manganese. The whole plant can be reused for cooking, fuel, or feeding livestock. In medicine, rice has been used to treat skin or gastric condition, or boil it down for an eye lotion. Rice also can be an ingredient in beauty product to make shiny hair. So, where does rice crop can be found? 90% of the world rice is grown in Asia, principally in China, India, Indonesia, and Bangladesh, with smallest amount grown in Japan, Pakistan, and various Southeast Asian nations. Is also cultivated in parts of Europe, in North and South America, and in Australia.
Effect to growth of crop. First, water stress. Second, reduce photosynthesis. Third, stunted growth. And lastly, delay flowering and fruiting. And then, effect to yield of crop. First, reduce grain number and size. Second, panically sterility. Third, early senescence. And fourth, poor seed set.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Azim bin Abdullah Zawawi and my text number is 2022808048. Now I'm going to talk about effect of drought and salinity to rice plant. So for the effect of drought is the first one is effect of community. The first one is human health. It can affect our human health because low production of rice plant can contain some heavy metals. So the next one is people may have to move from farms into cities or from one city to another. This is because they have to find a new place to do some rice plant to continue their jobs. And the last one is reduce income. Some people have their permanent job like rice plant, and they have to do some side income to gain their income. So the second one is effect of economy. Low quality production of rice. The companies or the industries can produce a high quality of rice, and it can affect the production. They have to lower their production and their quality too because of drought. The second one is business that depend on farming, like companies that make tractors and food may lose business when drought damage crops or livestock. And the last one is people might have to pay more for food.
Effect of growth of salinity. First, osmotic stress. Second, nutrient imbalance. Third, reduced photosynthesis. And lastly, stunted growth. And then effect of yield of salinity. First, quality issues. Second, reduced tailoring. Third, impaired seed germination. Fourth, decreased grain filling.
Salinity. The effect of salinity to community is the first one is reduce crop productivity, food shortage, and the second one is increased prices, and the last one is economic strength. The effect of community from salinity. The first one is impacting both local and global markets. The second one affect income of farmers, and the last one is contributing to economic challenge in regions heavily dependent on rice production. How to improve stress tolerance in rice against drought and salinity? First thing first, rice is the largest food intake that more than one half of the world's population and widely grown in 140 countries across the world. Hence, an improvement in rice production would be an essential impact on communities. Rice is also recommended as a desalinization crop due to its ability to grow well in flooded conditions, and the standing water in rice paddy can leach the salts out of the topsoils to make salt effects land suitable for the subsequent crops. For the next, however, we can improve stress tolerance in rice by using advanced technology such as genome editing that provide an excellent tools for reducing gene silencing in the genetic engineering approach for enhanced salinity tolerance in rice. It would also be the next frontier for intergeneration free improvement of crop traits with salinity stress tolerance as a target. Additionally, optimizing agricultural practice such as efficient irrigation method and soil management can help mitigate the impact. Adoption, adoption of water-saving technologies and crop rotation strategies can contribute to stress silences in rice cultivation.
Example of drought and salinity. A number of rice cultivars have been created that are more resistant to salinity and drought. The Sawarna sub 1 variety is one such, as it is well known for its resistance to salinity, drought, and submersion. The genus as submergence 1 or sub 1 for short enable the plant to withstand extended period of flooding. The Salkul rice variety is another illustration. It is designed to withstand elevation salinity level. This cultivar has the subtle QTL, quantitative drain locus, included, which aids in the plant's ability to continue growing and producing more in salinized environment. This cultivar serves as a testament to the continued effort made in breeding initiatives to create rice plants that can flourish in harsh environment setting and enhance food security.
So, in conclusion, rice is a very important food for humans today. Rice can be a main dish, a side dish, or something else. It also gives result to the country economy by selling it to other countries. So that's all from our group. Thank you.